And if you ever wondered how a quote-unquote rebuffed meeting request can turn into a comical anecdote, allow me to whisk you back to the sparkling days of 90s television. We'll encounter a bit of名人尴尬瞬间转喜剧. Remember Patrick Warburton, the ever-relaxed voice of Troy on King of the Hill, and the man who comedic fate would later have on a collision course with Ellen DeGeneres. The story goes that after his memorable appearances on her show, Ellen politely asked him to return, but Pat, preferring to focus on newer projects, politely declined with a smile. Little did he know, his rejection would turn into a dinner table mishap. Picture this: the refined setting of Orso in Beverly Hills, with the vivacious Ellen casually dining, that's something in Candance, but not without a mischievous punchline. "Guess you're too big for my show now, huh?" she quipped. And caught off guard, Patrick replied with a chuckle and an innocent lie about a scheduling conflict. The encounter was brief, but oh, so comical. It seems their professional relationship took a playful turn that day. Despite the awkwardness, Pat holds nothing but admiration for Ellen's talent and comedic prowess. And Warburton's tale serves as a reminder that even among the Hollywood elite, we all have those moments that make us human, even when we don't get that extra trip to the talk show. So why not join our channel for more celeb gossip and life lessons? And while you're at it, hit that like button to show your support. As they say, life's built-in comedy often comes from the unexpected. With that said, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next escapade in the realm of名人生活瞬间. Remember, if Ellen can laugh at it, so can we. Until next time.